Hi, I'd like to demonstrate how to set up and install and use the EVGear Wall Charger. In the box we've got a manual, a mounting template, the mounting plate, a hook for the cable, a J1772 handle dock, and the EVGear Wall Charger. This is the J1772 handle that connects to your car and provides the power. This is the wall plug that will either be NEMA 1450 or NEMA 650 depending on what you chose. That plugs into the socket that your electrician installs. This is the wall box, EVGear wall box, that you will install on the wall. And on the side it has the emergency stop button, which we'll talk about a little bit later, and your 24 feet of cable. Now we're going to go through the install. Okay, the first thing we're going to do before we mount our wall box is to tape our drilling reference paper, our mounting reference paper, to the wall so we can mark our holes. We want to make sure that the proximity of the plug is close enough to the wall box, so make sure that distance is correct before you go ahead and do it. Normally this distance is about right. You can either use a pencil and poke through and mark, or you can just take your drill and put it on the drill hole and drill through. Once you've drilled all 4 holes, we'll put in the anchor bolts. Now that we've got all our anchor bolts drilled and placed, when you slide your anchor bolt in, it should be solid and tough to get in. It's going to take a little bit of pressure. You push it all the way in, you have your 4 anchor bolts. Then take your mounting plate, making sure your lock hook is facing down and the slide slots are facing towards you. Go ahead and line it up and put in your bolts and screw them in. Okay, now that we have the wall plate up, we're going to go ahead and take the wall box and just place it over it and slide down, and it will slide into place, making sure it's secure. There's a lock spot below if you want to lock it, and otherwise it will stay in position. Take your plug and plug it in, and we have power. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and mount our handle dock. So I mark all 4, and then I'll drill and put anchors in, and then I'll mount that right there. You can put it anywhere in your garage that you want to, that the cable will reach. All right, now that we've mounted our last screw of our J1772 dock, we can see how that goes in. Simply snaps in place and holds our handle conveniently out of the way. Another accessory that we include is a cable hook to help you manage the length of the cable, which is 24 feet. Simply mount this somewhere in the garage where you want to wrap cable if you do, and it simply holds the excess cable as a hook. And if you want to, there is a protective layer that you can remove on the front of the enclosure, which you can peel off, or you can leave it on. It will function the same both ways. In case of emergency and you need to turn the power off on the EVGear Wall Charger, simply push the emergency stop button once. To turn power back on, push it again. If your unit ever stops working, try pushing the emergency stop button to see if it turns back on again. The LED status indicates many things. The current power on status is green at the top. Once you plug in your car, it will start charging. You'll see the status indicator lights start to move and then start to move more rapidly. It will move until your car is fully charged or is turned off. If you push the emergency stop button on the side, you will see a red flashing light. If you have an error In a fault in electricity somehow, you will also see a red flashing light. To remove the emergency stop, push the button again and your car will start charging. If you have an error code, a fault error, check your electrical circuits or call us at our toll-free number or email us at info@evgearshop.com for assistance. To charge your car, simply take the J1772 charging handle and plug it into your car, and your car will start to charge. To charge a Tesla, you need to use the Tesla to J1772 adapter. It is not included with our product. You can buy a J1772 Tesla adapter on Tesla.com, or your car may have come with one. To use it, simply slide it onto the J1772 plug and insert it into your Tesla, which will then begin charging.